And now, after that face-off in the parliament, specifically the Rajya Sabha, the opposition is reportedly mulling an impeachment motion. Sources have told Times Network that the opposition is mulling an impeachment motion against Dhankar. We're crossing over to my colleague Pragya to get us more on this. Pragya, tell us more about the semantics of this.
Well, we know about the altercation that we saw in Rajya Sabha today, and the whole opposition MP is in their blog walked out for the day. They said that the tone or tenor of the chair is not befitting the role of the chairman, and this is exactly what Jaya Bachchan also said. She was frank with. She was accompanied by Ms. Sonia Gandhi and all the party India opposition bloc leaders as well. They said that they have been insulted, women have been insulted, and this is happening time and again. These are the accusations of the opposition MPs on chair. However, the chair said that chair has been disrespected time and again. Ms. Jaya Bachchan called chairman a colleague. Despite the fact that he was sitting on the chair at that time. They may be colleagues outside the house, but they cannot be colleagues when Mr. Dhankar is sitting on the chair. So all these altercations led to bitterness between the opposition MPs and also between the chair. This is exactly when they walked out of the house, and now we are hearing that the opposition is mulling to bring impeachment motion against Mr. Dhankar, who is also the chairman of Rajya Sabha. While opposition knows they don't have numbers, but this is a statement they want to make, and they want everyone to see also that they are not very satisfied with the conduct of the chair. They want to project that chair is behaving in a certain biased manner. This is why this consideration of bringing an motion of impeachment against Mr. Dhankar, while I know that this is going to be defeated, Mr. Dhankar also said that while I am humble, my humility should not be considered as weakness. I will oppose every statement that you make against the chair, as I have to respect the dignity of the chair as well. So, a lot of opposition, a lot of bitterness between opposition and chair right now. Let's see what happens on Monday.
All right, Pragya, thank you so much for joining us, getting us those details. We'll have to see how this plays out, as you mentioned, but shifting focus.